Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is. It's JJ. Once again, back at it here Monday at the office, and I'm recording off my phone for this video. So just bear with me. I updated my iPhone and updated my GoPro, and for some reason they're not linking properly. So I have to figure that out later. So hopefully I can have my GoPro back for tomorrow's video. But first things first. You know how we always start off the Monday. I appreciate everybody who's been tuning in. I appreciate all the new subscribers that we got over the weekend. I appreciate everybody's feedback, and I know a lot of you guys that came over from Lucky's channel, and also some of you guys that came over from TK's channel. And for those who haven't came over from those people's channel, I will be giving you guys some information about the giveaway. It's a giveaway that's linked with me, TK, and a lot of other people are doing a giveaway. So I'll drop a video later on this week for more details on the giveaway, so you guys can hop in there and enter, and so you guys can win some cars and win some money. So, but let's get to it. We'll do some Carmax auctions, and then we'll go Carmax. I know you my man, he been asking about the Sacramento, so we'll do the Sacramento South. We'll probably hop into like Phoenix and a couple of these other ones here, and just let you guys see what the prices go for. And we're gonna go from there. Then I can drop a little advice at the end of this video, or I might just save that video and just make it a video for tomorrow. But it probably more than likely just make a video for tomorrow. But let's get to it. So right now we hopped into this Phoenix one, and look at that. They had a 2004 this SSR. What is it? 27,000 miles sold for 20,500. 2009 Prius, 111,000 miles sold for 2,200. 2014 Cruise was a no sale. 2007 Kia Sedona sold for 2,800. 2007 BMW, as you can see, sold for 700. What was wrong with it? Non-runner prior fleet, so it wasn't running. They sold that for 700. Mercedes Benz, what's wrong with it? 2006 Mercedes Benz, no announcements, sold for 1,200. Major transmission, 2013 Impreza, needs a transmission. How much they go for? It's not bad. 20 if you can get a cheap transmission put in. 2005, 2006 Honda Civic, branded title, sold for 2,600. 2005 Jeep Wrangler, no announcement, so on the green light, sold for 6,500. They're on what? They're on this 2008 Hyundai, 2008 Toyota Sienna, sold for 5,200 on the green light. 2005 Volkswagen. They're actually coming out pretty clear. You guys can basically like really see the prices better on my phone. So they booted me out. Oh well. On to the next one. We're gonna go to Sacramento South. I just didn't sign. I didn't do my. This is Phoenix. Just happened to be one part of the part. So man, I still gotta do all these. Man, I need to just have somebody do this for me. I'll probably ask somebody to do this for me, because filling out all these sales tax licenses for each state. Because I be just trying to hop into one, and then you have to do one for each state. And this Phoenix one just popped up, so I just wanted to hop in there. So I have to finish doing the sales tax for each state, but I'll eventually get to them, guys. It's a lot that goes on through my days, And Wednesday, I'm gonna show you guys. I don't know if you guys want to see it or not. Let me know in the comments below if you guys want to see this or not. I'll be showing you what I'll be doing with my box trucks and what I'll be doing. So the grind don't stop. It's the grind and hustling all day, every day. Y'all guys see what I do when I get here at the office, but I'll let you guys see what I do early in the morning if you guys want to see that. Let me know in the comments below. So let's get to it. Sacramento South will start here in about the next 45 minutes to an hour. So I'll hop in there and we'll get some prices at one of the Sacramento South, and then we'll go from there. We'll just hop in these other ones and go. Let's go. So let's hop into this. Where we want to hop into? Let's hop into Carmax Gulf Freeway. Let's go right there for right now. We acknowledge and we in red and understand. Blah 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 blah. Blah blah blah. Bidder numbers pending. So So we're starting off. Cheap. Let's see what it say. Oh, it's a non-runner. That's why it's so cheap. 2000. What year is that? Let's focus it better. 2011 Mazda CX-9. Non-runner per fleet. And sold for $1,600 on a non-runner. 2012 Camaro. On a green light, no announcements. So they started with the model. They didn't even start with the first two. No one wants to do it. How many miles? 135,000 miles. Man, they ain't getting no bids. Ain't nobody in on this Carmax right now. Kareem, okay. I guess 75. I think that's. No. 8750. Sold 8750. Hold on. Make sure we're in the right one. We are in the right one, right? Make sure. Yeah, we in that thing. We in the right one. Making sure my stuff is working. We need to obtain the proper tax, blah, blah, blah. Why y'all gotta be? I think just let me be great. Let's hop and turn right quick. This one started already. It started in 24 minutes. St. Louis already started, didn't it? Or is it done? Let's see. Check out some of these prices. Check out some of these prices. So we had a Ford Focus for 200, non-runner. Got an 09 Honda Accord for 28. 2012 Audi 14,000. 2008. We're gonna go through them slowly. It's only gonna work with my mouse, I guess. 2007 Cobalt, major engine defects, sold for 500. Let's see, 2007 Scion TC, needs a transmission, still brought 2,900. Good lord. Mercedes-Benz with no cell, major engine defect, 06 Grand Marquis, major engine defect, 50,000 miles, still brought 2,900. Good lord. 2013 Challenger, 92,000 miles, repo, brought, what did it bring? 11,400. 04 Mustang red. No sound on? No sound should be on. I guess that's basic. I guess they held up on this one car. Or is that the last car? Nope, that's the last car. Let's see. Prior fleet, prior rental, 2012 Chevy Captiva, 118,000 miles, sold for 2,700. That ain't a bad deal. 99 Buick Custom, sold for 250. 07 Honda Accord, prior rental, structural damage, sold for 26. 2014 Altima, 53 on the mile, sold for 3,100. Let's keep going. So that was a no sale. 2016 Infiniti Q50 Hybrid, prior fleet, 21,000 miles. 2013 Scion TC, 6,300. True Max Thunder. One picture of the Thunder. Let's see if we get a better view for that right here. So we got some fairly decent prices. Yeah, some fairly decent prices. I ain't gonna say stuff is still overpriced, but stuff that ain't running, you know, stuff that ain't running, they got major engine defects, you know, you still giving out all that money. So here right here, this is, so if you're in Gulf Freeway, this is, no, this ain't Gulf Freeway, where did we click in? This is St. Louis. This is St. Louis, so this is the prices, what the stuff is going for the St. Louis Carmax auction. 2008 Nissan Maxima prior structural damage. That ain't bad for 800 bucks. Got a little structural damage. It might not be nothing bad. And them is all the prices. So we're gonna wait a couple minutes and hop into the Sacramento South one and go from there. Didn't get to get to the Sacramento Craigslist because, oh man.
How you gonna squirt transmission fluid out this motherfucker?
Oh yeah. Oh shit. Forgot all about that.
Yeah, you know transmission fluid come back to.
Oh yeah, I forgot all about that. About to mess up the car. Luckily I didn't. Luckily he caught me. But yeah, I didn't get to the Sacramento Craigslist because I ended up selling the car. I had some customers pull in, so they were interested in some cars. So I ended up selling the car. So I didn't get to the Sacramento Craigslist. I mean, Carmax, not Craigslist, Carmax. So I will get to that next week. Hopefully, you know, customers start coming in. So you know, hey, you gotta shut the video down. Gotta go make some money. So now it's past the time where all the auctions has ended. So definitely we'll try to get to Sacramento next week. Hopefully, you know, nobody comes in and interrupt me at that time. But yeah, I'm gonna give some car buying advice tomorrow because there's been some stuff that's been happening, and you know, people been getting screwed over and screwed out their money and stuff like that. So I'm gonna drop some car buying advice tomorrow. That's gonna be tomorrow's video. I might do Copart tomorrow, may not. Let me know if you guys want to see a Copart tomorrow. If not, it is what it is. We don't have to look at Copart. But I'll dropping some car buying advice. This is not gonna be for mainly dealers. It's gonna help dealers, but it's mainly gonna be for people public, because you know, public people get screwed over a lot, and you know, trying to do my best to help you guys, help people that's public and don't know much about buying cars, because a lot of times people don't know about buying cars. You know, depend on their situation or whatever they grew up around. Somebody who bought cars previously, they don't know how to buy cars the proper way, so they didn't teach that person how to buy the cars the proper way. But this is what I'm here for. You know, I'm in the business. You know, I'm gonna sell cars, I'm gonna make money, but I also want to give out advice too, to help people, you know, help people, you know, because I see it a lot, you know, but we'll explain that in tomorrow's video. Appreciate you guys. I'm out. Sacramento, California, I got you, man, I got you. So I got you, Sacramento, man, I got you. Tried to get in there, but you know, like I said, customers came, and you know, money comes first, you know. But we got you, I guarantee you. But car buying advice coming tomorrow. More advice, a lot of more advice. I mean, hopefully I can go home and fix my GoPro so it'll work properly. But who knows? I mean, let me know if you guys like me recording off my phone or not. If y'all like recording off my phone, I might just go get me a new iPhone so I can do front and back videos and just do all my videos off my phone. So let me know in the comments below. I might just sell my GoPro and go get an iPhone. So let me know below if y'all like how these videos came out, the quality. But appreciate you guys. I'm out. See you tomorrow. Peace.